Jump, boy! You're in the middle of a race!
Wow! Hey, wait for me!
Catch you crushers later!
All right. I am first place in the race.
I may be last now, but I'm gonna be the first to jump. Oh yeah! I wanna get dirty!
Not for me, you don't, jump boy. Not so fast, Jose. Sorry, fast is what I do best.
Our racers have kicked it up a gear, but Jose's the one to beat. Oops! Looks like Little Toe is making me eat my words, and he's making Jose eat his dust. But wait here, Jose's gonna try it on the outside. And LT is ready for him. They're neck and neck down the chute, and neither one is willing to give it up. And LT powers by for the win.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah. But Boo Boo's billboard isn't.
Boy, are you ever gonna get in trouble?
I.
Is everyone A-okay over here? That sure sounded like some wipeout.
We're okay, Uncle Bigfoot.
Glad to hear it. Though, I guess that's more than we can say about Boo Boo's billboard. What happened?
I was racing, and we both wanted to win, so we were going really fast. LT pulled ahead, and then I hit some gravel and started doing donuts,
I love the donuts.
which was awesome for a minute. But then I kept going around and around and around until I rammed into Boo Boo's billboard and broke it.
Well, it takes a tough truck to admit a mistake, champ. That's just a little fender bender. But we'd better go over to Boo Boo's to tell him what happened.
Won't Boo Boo be mad?
He'll understand. The important thing is no one got hurt. Accidents happen, Sporto. That's one thing I've learned from my days on the track.